Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the LG Electronics 55-inch EC9300 with 3D, a curved glass screen, and its OLED technology. This is an amazing television. Really nothing can compare to it. It's head and shoulders above the state-of-the-art 4K UHD TVs on the market. It has a really nice sculpted aluminum base. It's metal, not plastic. The downward-facing speakers hit that base and are projected outward, so it does a good job with the built-in speakers that this television has. The remote is comfortable to hold in the hand and has your basic controls, volume, mute, 3D, which is not basic, I guess. Input select channels. There's a 5-way controller including a scroll wheel, which is also a button. There's a built-in mic for voice commands and operates on 2 AA batteries. On the side panel, we have the inputs. There's first 3 HDMI inputs. Above that, 3 USB 2 inputs. And then there's a service port right above that. On the back, we have an RF in. Then there's a 4th HDMI input to the right. Way over on the left is the Ethernet LAN port. And next to that, an optical digital output. And then the AV inputs. Here's a comparison. There's a Samsung 4K UHD TV on the left, and the LG is on the right. Now I'm actually changing the f-stop of my camcorder. You can see how bright the LG is on the right, whereas as I keep changing the f-stop, the Samsung just sort of fades away to nothingness. That is an indication of how bright the LG is. Now this is a good comparison. First of all, it's showing off-axis viewing, how washed out the LCD screen is on the left versus the vibrant color and brightness and sharpness of the LG on the right. And again, more off-axis viewing. Look at the terrible screen on the left, which is the 4K Samsung, and the LG on the right, even at that sharp angle, continues to be beautiful. This is the device connector, part of the WebOS. This is how you can basically turn the remote into sort of a universal remote and control either of these 4 types of devices: set-top box, Blu-ray, DVD player, home theater, etc. So you choose what input you want that device that you're going to be creating. You're basically creating an app here. There's a couple of choices here, whether you want Simple Link on or off, or the Auto Power Sync on or off. And again, click Next. But as you keep clicking Next here, then you get to the other options that you have to choose. First of all, this is going to be using IR, so you do have to have line of sight to that device. So this is where you are going to choose the manufacturer of the device that you just selected, and it's pre-configured for the remote. So once you select that device, it's going to automatically turn your remote into that device so that you can control it. So it works really, really well. The WebOS is really fantastic. It's nicely thought out. And what I really like is when you're adding a device like this, it's actually creating sort of an app. And once you've created it, that app shows up on this bottom of the screen. Using the controller, then you can just click and drag that to whatever position you want. And this has like your Netflix, your Amazon, Vudu, that sort of thing. Those are all pre-installed. Once you click on the device that you've just configured, it actually puts a representation of the remote right on screen. And this is appearing over whatever content you might have playing on your screen, whether you're watching a Blu-ray disc or just network TV, cable television channel, whatever. So it's not interrupting what you're watching. Everything happens over it. That's why it's so intuitive. And it's not like you have to go somewhere else in your TV to do this. It's just right in front of you. So it's really well thought out. This TV is so far above picture quality of anything I have seen before. It's really incredible. The OLED technology is really being pushed here by LG, and they've done a great job with it. And there's really no competition at this point for this size set with the OLED technology. Blacks are black, contrast is excellent, colors are more accurate, it's brighter. The picture literally goes from edge to edge. There's virtually no bezel on this TV whatsoever. and it's actually thinner than my iPhone around the edges. Now, in the middle portion of the set, there is a thicker area where all the electronics are and where it connects to the base, but overall, it's very light, relatively speaking. There's no backlight on OLED technology, which is one reason the screen is so thin. It's also why there's blacks and just excellent contrast on this. So overall, incredibly impressive. I'm sold, and I think you will be too as soon as you see one. There's really nothing out there right now that can come close to the picture quality that you get with this OLED TV. And the curved screen is really cool looking. You know, might be a little overhyped perhaps, but it really does make an effect, especially when you're off axis. So that's it. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.